Hey everyone. So I just did a Facebook Live, but I had to charge my phone, so I couldn't even sync these up at the same time. But I thought I would come on Instagram quickly because what I was talking about was up leveling your health in 4 steps with essential oils. So I thought I would come on here and do the quick recap. And if you do want to check it out, just head over to Facebook and we can be besties on there. Okay, so first up, all that I like to do is A, obviously add in oils, but B, try and pair them together so that they really have a beneficial effect and a targeted cause. So with this purpose, it's for immune support, so boosting the immune system. The whole spark for this video was because my daughter has had this persistent cough, but it's not even a bad cough, it's more of an annoying mom cough. So it's like like almost like a throat clearing. So I was like, okay, we clearly need to make sure that her immune boosting blend is full so that she's using it every day, because I think I kind of was slacking on the making sure that I had replenished her rollerball with oils in it. So, okay, so first up, using oils to support the immune system is amazing because oils work great with our bodies. They can actually get right into the cell. So if we are fighting off something like a viruses, they get into the cell, but when we take something like an antibiotic, it can only circulate around the cell. So it will help with bacteria, but not viruses. So right off the bat, oils are very powerful. They can penetrate the cell and actually get to work helping out things like viruses. Again, this isn't the situation right now, but just wanted that as a little FYI in case you were wondering about how oils are even effective for helping boost up your immune system and helping you through those, shady times or crappy times when you guys are going through the rough. So first of all, I really do love using them as a proactive approach to health. And, whenever you feel something coming on, that's a great time to start boosting up these sort of oils. So first up, I have On Guard. So this is the the protective blend. I just call it the immune boosting blend. So it's a blend of oils together that really do help bump up your immune system. So this is my go-to first level. Okay, so whenever we are experiencing anything, this is the one I would go to first, and it actually comes in a convenient roller bottle like this. So this is from Align. So it's On Guard again, but it's in the touch version, which means that it's pre-diluted down. So this is great for moms with kids, or maybe you're new to oils and you're like, how the heck do I use these oils? Like, do I have to dilute them down? Well, this one comes pre-diluted for you. So so this comes in a roller like that, and it's from the Touch line, but mine's empty right now. So what I like to do is a simple hack is to just add 5 to 10 drops of the On Guard oil to this bottle and then top it with something like fractionated coconut oil. So doTERRA makes this. It removes all the fats. It has a longer shelf life. It's shelf stable and it doesn't have a scent. So this is a great way to dilute your oils down. Or you can go to your health food store and get like a jojoba oil, even a coconut oil, and just melt it down. But I just love this one, and I add my own pump to it, so it makes it easier for making my own roller bottles. So first level is On Guard, and this one is great because it comes in a roller bottle. It's easy to just roll on the feet. I like to do on the front of the throat. If I feel a tickle coming on, I'll just roll it right there and just get the benefits that way. So that's level 1. Level 2 is then when you kind of step into making your own blends. So this is a huge area to experiment when you get into oils, and I love doing it. So step 2 would be, now you're using On Guard essential oil and you're layering on frankincense. So frankincense is the king of oils. If you're not familiar with it, it's, in the Bible and all that. But when in doubt, grab frankincense. It has a plethora of properties that are really beneficial to the body. So it's never a bad oil to consider in any area of health. But here specifically, it is great for supporting the immune system. It's going to create, it's really good for cellular support too. So that's big. And what else was I going to say? Oh, it's a driver oil. So when you pair frankincense with another oil, it's going to help drive the subsequent oil that you add after frankincense deeper into the tissue. So that's really unique too. So again, pairing it with On Guard, and then you could do it in a roller bottle. So this is a 10 milliliter size. And what I like to do for targeted causes, i.e. immune support like this one, up to 30 drops. So for instance, in this blend, I would do 15 drops of On Guard and 15 drops of frankincense. and then you top with the fractionated coconut oil, and boom, you are done. And then again, you're gonna roll on the bottoms of the feet. You can do it at nighttime before bed. It's a great routine to get into. So my daughter will hop out of her bath, we'll get the diffuser going, we'll get Stories read and teeth brush, and then we will roll oils onto her feet, the Immune Booster blend, and her going to sleep blend. So that's level 2. Level 3 is now we are taking On Guard, and we are taking frankincense, and we are also adding in Arbor Vitae. So this is actually a tree. So it comes from the Arbor Vitae tree, which is the tree of life. So this tree can live up to 300 years. It's very protective of itself for bugs. So it's great as an insect repellent too. It smells kind of sweet and woodsy. It's beautiful, and it's great for nighttime in the diffuser as well. But it also, since it is a very protective tree, it can live for 300 years. Think about the beneficial properties it can do for our bodies as well. So it is a very good oil for helping with the immune system too. So now that I'm adding in 3 oils to a roller bottle, I just add, or I lessen the amount of drops. So now I'm doing 10, 10, and 10 for a total of 30 in this blend. You're going to top it with the fractionated coconut oil, and boom, now you have your level 3 oil blend for helping with immune support. Level 4 oil support. And again, just using these natural tools to support this key area and grabbing the oils that really work with that. So now we have On Guard, and we have frankincense, and we have Arbor Vitae. And now we're also going to add in a newer oil to doTERRA called Copaiba. So Copaiba is an amazing oil. I actually love it for the properties it has for helping with anxiety. As someone that's a little bit more anxious, I like to take a drop under my tongue to start the day and go through the day just helping with my anxious feelings. Whereas my husband, if he has this before bed, he is knocked out. So again, oils are chemistry, we're chemistry. They can work very differently in people, and that's why there's no harm in going from one oil to up to 4 in a targeted blend, because you never know how much different this one oil is going to work versus that one, or maybe your body needs more of this oil right now versus that one. So I thought there's no harm in adding a little bit of Copaiba to my immune boosting blend, because this is great for supporting the immune system. And again, you get those beneficial properties of helping, calm you down if you are needing that, or relaxing. So this is the next one I'm going to add. And this is what I'm saying. I play around with the oils. So I haven't added Copaiba to my immune boosting blend before, but I'm always experimenting. I'm always looking for ways to, like I said, up-level our health and just really support it in this natural way using the oils. So, okay, that's okay, go. And so now I'm just gonna play around with it in a 5 milliliter bottle, and then we are going to be good to go. And that's the 4th level for the immune support oils, okay? So if you have any questions, just let me know. You can DM me on here or look for me on Facebook. And I hope this was helpful. And I know obviously after I go off live, you can't ask any more questions, but just let me know through a direct message if you want to learn more about this. And the crazy part is that you actually get On Guard for free this month for getting started, on top of 3 other free products. So it's really awesome. It's a great month to start if you are thinking about, greening up your life and going a more holistic route. So message me with questions, and I will see you guys later. Bye.